Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmuri, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on differences between merchant bank and commercial bank and merchant bank with investment bank. For MCOM in the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services, it is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Differences between merchant bank and commercial bank goes with commercial banks are catering to the needs of the common man, whereas the merchant banks cater to the needs of corporate firms. Any person can open a bank account in the commercial bank, whereas it cannot be done in merchant bank. Merchant bank deals with equities, whereas the commercial bank deals with debt-related finance, which includes activities like credit proposals, loan sanctions, etc. The merchant bank is exposed to the market, so it is more exposed to risk as compared to commercial banks. Merchant bank is related to the primary market, whereas the commercial markets are more to the secondary markets. Merchant banking activities are capital restructuring, underwriting, portfolio management, etc., whereas the commercial banks play the role of financiers. The activities of merchant banks have a direct impact on the growth and liquidity of money markets. Merchant bank is management oriented, whereas the commercial banks are asset oriented. The commercial banks generally avoid risks, and on the other hand, the merchant banks are willing to take the risks. Hope you would understand the difference between merchant bank and commercial bank. Now we move on to the differences between merchant bank and investment bank. Merchant banks and investment banks in their purest forms are different kinds of financial institutions that perform different services. In practice, the fine lines that separate the functions of merchant banks and investment banks tend to blur. Traditional merchant banks often expand into the field of securities underwriting, while many investment banks participate in trade financing activities. In theory, investment banks or merchant banks perform different functions. Pure investment banks raise funds for businesses and some governments by registering and issuing debt or equity and selling it on a market. Traditionally, investment banks only participate in underwriting and selling securities in large blocks. As a general rule, investment banks focus on initial public offerings and large public and private share offerings. Merchant banks tend to operate on small-scale companies and offer creative equity financing, bridge financing, mezzanine financing, and a number of corporate credit products. While investment banks tend to focus on larger companies, merchant banks offer their services to companies that are too big for venture capital firms to serve properly, but are still too small to make a compelling public share offering on a large exchange. In order to bridge the gap between venture capital and public offering, larger merchant banks tend to privately place equity with other financial institutions, often taking on large portions of ownership in companies that are believed to have strong growth potential. Merchant banks still offer trade financing products to their clients. Investment banks rarely offer trade financing because most investment banking clients have already outgrown the need for trade financing and the various credit products linked to it. Hope you would understood the differences between merchant banking and commercial bank, merchant banking and investment bank. Thank you. We would meet in the next video.